Coolant filter kit for the 6.0.
6 point below.
No, it's a 6.0.
Oh, I'm sorry.
6.0. 6.0 Powerstroke, and it's not expensive at all. The kit, all it has is the bracket, the 2 valves, and the filter. And we got the 2 hoses right there.
Well, explain to them why you would put a water filter on.
Well, if they're looking at the video, they obviously know why they're considering it.
But there's a lot of people that look at videos and don't even know what they're looking at.
Okay, so why would you put this on the truck?
For electrolysis.
What's that?
What's electrolysis is the vibrations inside the engine. There's a diesel, so guess what? You don't got no spark plugs. So that vibration and all that static compression makes vibrations in the coolant and makes these little air bubbles. And those air bubbles get on the outside of the cylinder, and every time that thing goes up on compression stroke, it makes a little bubble and it blows up 4 times more than dynamite.
So this filter takes that out?
Yes, sir. It has DCA in it. It has DCA in it.
All right, so...
And they also sell, you can pick it up at your international dealer, a test kit where you can check your coolant levels and your DCA levels.
All right, so like I said, that bracket, the 3 bolts, the 2 valves, the filter.
And let me see the filter a second.
And the actual bracket goes right over here, right where that bolt is.
There's 4 units of DCA in here already. They're pellets. If you shake it, you hear quick, quick, quick. It's not broken. It's little pellets that are in there.
All right, that's good to know. All right, thank you, man.
Goodbye.
All right, so we got 2 hoses. This one looks like a T. And then this one, smoking pipe. Right?
Smoking pipe, yeah.
All right.
Just like this, like the Indians used to do.
Right. Right. So the first one is going to be doing,
Excuse me, sir.
right over here. These 2. Goes into there,
And for
and you
the
overflow.
and for
The long hose, or the T, goes into the reservoir. The other one here. All right, yeah, believe that. To mount the bracket, we gotta take off that 1 bolt. Pay attention to the hole below the bolt, because that's where that goes into. This slips in there, and then you put the 1 bolt. So, and that's it. All right, so that one hose goes into the end valve, which is this one here. Now for the second hose that looks like a peace pipe. You see this hose? You see this hose right here? This one. It goes up to here, into there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this splitter right here, in there, like that. And we gotta take this tube off. It goes to the intercooler.
It's really simple to take off. Why are you crying?
Really simple to take off, just time consuming. So there she is.
This hose goes this way.
Pretty simple. No rocket science degree required. Just a little determination.